I recently grew tired of using ChatGPT just to generate text until I heard about some plugins that literally changed how I use ChatGPT. Why settle for something basic when you can do much more with your chatbot? From automating complex tasks to accessing the latest world news to generating images or even ordering from your favorite local store, there's a plugin tailored to meet your needs. With 922 plugins available, knowing the best ones can be overwhelming. But I've got good news for you. I tried almost every one of them and will provide you with a quick rundown of the best 7 to save you the hassle of trying them all yourself. Make sure you watch this video to the end if you're eager to learn how to use these plugins like a pro. Besides, the last 3 will blow your mind. You'll be surprised at how these plugins can truly transform your ChatGPT experience. Without wasting much time, let's dive right in. First on the list is Prompt Perfect. If you find yourself wasting time trying to construct the right prompt to get the right answer you want, this plugin is for you. It fine-tunes your prompt. Prompt is a statement or question that ChatGPT responds to. Prompt Perfect rephrases it and makes it crystal clear for ChatGPT to understand your intent and give you the best answer. I think Prompt Perfect will be very useful for both beginners and advanced ChatGPT users. How do you use this? Download the plugin, then go to ChatGPT and type perfect before every prompt. For example, perfect, brainstorm 5 ideas for a Twitter post. Once done, the plugin will automatically enhance your prompt to make it more detailed and informative for ChatGPT. This enables the AI chatbot to provide specific and informative responses to your prompt. Let me show you how Prompt Perfect takes your prompts to the next level. Here's my original prompt. Create a travel plan for a 2-week trip to Italy with a budget of $3,000. Can you see that? It rephrased it and highlighted all the details ChatGPT needs to include in its response. Let's try another prompt and see what ChatGPT will give us. Perfect. List of the best websites for following large language model technology. Here we are. Can you see the rephrased version in the final response? Honestly, this plugin is a game changer. Talking about ChatGPT's responses, one of the major challenges we all encounter is incoherency and the chatbot's inability to remember previous discussions. This is due to the chatbot's limited memory capacity. But with the Memory Bank plugin, everything changed. It's like storing all your previous discussions, settings, preferences, etc. on ChatGPT. The plugin is designed to store, update, and retrieve your specific details. Ever since I downloaded the plugin, I no longer need to copy and paste repeatedly in an attempt to remind ChatGPT of previous responses while generating new ones. Aside from that, this plugin is an amazing tool to sort out and rearrange large amounts of data to make them more coherent and comprehensive. While some people may find the Wolfram plugin to be a bit technical at first glance, it is one of the best plugins available. The capabilities offered by this plugin are truly exceptional. ChatGPT can now solve complex mathematical queries and computations with this plugin and even generate real-time data. The integration of the Wolfram plugin has significantly improved ChatGPT's intelligence and expanded its access to a wide range of resources in various domains, including geography, astronomy, popular culture, nutrition, engineering, and more. Let me show you a few examples of the tasks you can execute with this plugin. These were tasks that ChatGPT had difficulty providing accurate responses to just a few months ago. I asked ChatGPT for the distance from Chicago to Tokyo, and it immediately displayed the path like a visual representation of the entire trip. This blows my mind. Let's try another example. I provided a complex math problem, and let's check if ChatGPT gets it right this time. Here's the result. This is actually getting interesting. I think we can have ChatGPT represent that in a plot. Wow, this is amazing. I recommend you try it out. However, Wolfram goes beyond solving complex math problems. This tool can be really helpful for doing some pretty advanced tasks like making family trees, creating audio spectrograms, drawing pictures of bodies, and lots of other things. Are you an adventure seeker just like me? Well, then you should get the Kayak extension plugged in with your ChatGPT account immediately. Gone are those good old days when you asked ChatGPT for top travel destinations, switch back to Google to check the reviews, then wander reminder back to Kayak to book your flights. With this extension, you can now do everything in your chatbot. You can easily book flights and hotels and get travel recommendations, see reviews, and also have ChatGPT plan your trip like never before. And to book your flight, once you have provided the necessary details, Kayak will present you with a variety of flight options available from your location. The information you'll find covers a bunch of things like how much everything costs, any layovers or delays during the trip, the airlines most people like to use, and a lot more. When you are done selecting, follow the necessary instructions and Kayak will take care of the rest. It's as simple as that. You can now check for top travel destinations on ChatGPT and book your flight immediately without switching sites, all thanks to this plugin. And if you think all the available plugins are just for fun, then wait till I unveil the next one. It's no secret that despite the advanced GPT-4 language model, the database of ChatGPT is limited to 2021, making it outdated. Personally, I don't rely on the chatbot for news, but things have changed now. With the World News plugin integrated into ChatGPT, I get up-to-date news in real time. After downloading this plugin, you can now ask ChatGPT for the latest global news and receive a comprehensive list of news summaries from different sources. World News plugin is fantastic. Just as the name implies, it covers news from around the world in various languages, with links to the sources. For the very first time, you can now verify ChatGPT's sources of information thanks to this plugin. For instance, I asked ChatGPT for the latest news from Ecuador, and it came up with this. I could also click on the links if I want to read more. I also asked for the latest AI news as well, and there you have it. I recommend this plugin to journalists and freelancers in the writing niche who often need to stay abreast of trending topics. Next, I tried out the Scholar AI plugin. Though I am not an academic person, I will recommend this tool over and over again. This innovative plugin searches through a vast collection of over 40 million verified scientific papers and PDFs to find the best response to your prompt. It can also analyze or summarize any PDF document of your choice. When paired with ChatGPT, you can easily access extracts from the most recent studies and publications on various topics. By simply specifying your area of interest, you can quickly retrieve pertinent extracts that offer insights into the latest advancements and findings in this field. This plugin is the best for researchers, students, and professionals who want to stay updated in their field. So I tried it out, and I asked the plugin to provide an extract on the latest research on heart disease. Look at what I have. Most of the ChatGPT plugins are free, but you will require a paid subscription for ChatGPT Plus to use them because plugins are exclusive to ChatGPT 4, which can be accessed immediately with a ChatGPT Plus subscription. Zapier, which I consider one of the top plugins, is specifically designed to streamline and simplify your work process. Right from my ChatGPT interface, I can now connect to all my different apps. In fact, according to what I read, it can seamlessly connect to over 5,000 apps. If you're a busy person just like me, or you're a professional or a marketer, Zapier should be your go-to plugin. It automates every one of my tasks and saves me hours of switching sites and opening different apps every day. All you need to do is complete a single one-time connection and select the apps you want to connect. And that's all. You can now use ChatGPT to compose emails or send messages directly to Slack. For example, if asked to draft an email and send it to a friend, Zapier creates the action almost instantly and sends it immediately. Instead of jumping between a bunch of different tabs, you can just ask ChatGPT to perform a task in another app for you, and it gets it done immediately. From my experience, I'd say this plugin deserves a 6-star review. Now, in case you don't know how to install ChatGPT plugins, let me quickly show you. Installing ChatGPT plugins is a straightforward process. To begin, ensure you sign up for ChatGPT Plus. Go to your settings and turn on the plugin beta features. Head back to the plugin store, browse through the available plugins, and download any plugin of your choice. Sign up for ChatGPT Plus. I encourage you to try these plugins and share your experiences in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the AI Spotlight. Stay artificially awesome and explore the limitless potential of ChatGPT. Now check this video out here to learn about the best AI tools I've found after trying over 250 different ones.